Alright, this next part is going to be how to assemble the ukulele fretboard. We have our fretboard here, which we engraved grooves into. We also have fret wire. What's going to happen is you are going to align the fret wire into the slot, and you're going to cut it roughly the size it needs to be. When you're cutting this, please use safety glasses. You need to use something greater than scissors. This is pretty hard to cut. So the way the fret wire is going to work is we are going to hammer it in and glue it. This is a rather difficult task. It is pretty hard to get this right. So, we may be printing multiple fretboards, but how we're going to do it is we are just going to use some regular old glue. I think it's just best to put the glue on the fret wire itself. And again, yours won't be painted, so you should probably have a little bit of an easier time. But you can always, get the extra glue up with paper towels. So you're gonna align it in the middle. Fret wire has a skinny edge in the middle that we're gonna align into the laser cuts engraved gap. Put that in there. And then how we're gonna do this is it's a gentle, I'm gonna tap the middle first. I'm gonna hold one end, tap one end, hold the end I just hammered, do that. Okay? You'll be able to see the fret in there. I have paint, so I'm gonna wick up that extra glue. That's how that's done. That went really well for me. Some of your frets are not going to go well, but that's the idea. So you're just going to repeat that process again with different lengths. So it may take a decent amount of time, but that is how we do the fret wire.